Good evening. This video is regarding the new format change that has happened in MS evening sessions, and it's my responsibility to inform all of you about the format change. This is the class time, and now I'm supposed to conduct the session, but today the class was called off because of attendance issue. So it's been very often these days that we are unfortunately seeing a lot of classes getting cancelled because of attendance issues. I cannot completely blame the students who are taking leave during the inappropriate time, but making a format change will really help us to travel across in a much more effective way. Mitra, Dakshin Siddharth, Guru Prasanna, Ritan Nitish, Aswathaman, Kavin Sandron, and Sibi Aditan. All of their timings are getting clashed, and they have their own academic challenges, and if person A comes on Monday, person B is not able to come, and person C, if he or she is making a way on Tuesday, then person D is not able to come. So I'm not really willing to prepare modules in accordance with these kinds of different attendance formats that I'm supposed to face every day. So people have taken the RLS now. Guru Prasanna is under RLS form. From now onwards, MS evening sessions will perform only 4 days a week. Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Pretty much the same days that Dakshin Siddharth is coming up here. And in all the 4 days, he is making a point to come directly. So I have very many things to be developed in people like Kavin Sandron and Aswathaman, but then when there are no people to listen to their presentations, then there is no point in giving them the chance to go to that podium. You get me right? So I'm bringing a new form called as MSOBT. MSOBT. MS Outbound Training, where for the first hour, I'm going to take the direct attendees to the ground, either the play space downstairs or to the ground if space is available, because students are getting stressed. All the other kinds of regular homework that people are put into are really tightening the screws all around the body and mind of the students. So I am willing to bring up some play platforms. Yes, and it's pretty much similar to the sports desk that we had last year. From September 2020 to February 2021, we had sports desk being activated for 6 months. So this is pretty much similar to that. So in this OBT, in this outbound training, I'm going to teach Anshaks, then boxing, and we will play soccer, we will play cricket, and we will play hockey. It's going to be a separate module. Like if the student comes here by 5:20 or 5:30, we will have a wonderful time frame of about 60 minutes in the ground with the daylight still being on until 6:20 and all that. And then we're coming back here to the workspace, and the people will make presentations and all that. And by 7:15, we are free to go. So this MS OBT and MS evening sessions combined together. That's how it's going to be from tomorrow onwards. When I say tomorrow, I'm willing to start this from Wednesday. So from Wednesday onwards, from November 17th onwards, MS OBT will have its launch. Whoever is present. That's a plan. Hope you like this plan. And people who are going to rejoin, perhaps if they are willing to rejoin, and people who are going to join as new members, they will also come under this kind of platform. Dakshin Siddharth, 4 days a week. Aswathaman, alternative days. Ritan Nitish, sometimes online, sometimes direct. Kavin Sandron is now starting to come direct. Sibi Aditan, always online. And Guru Prasanna has to be online. So when the MS OBT is getting done, people like Guru Prasanna and Sibi Aditan can do the same thing that they are doing here when a sports activity is conducted. They can debut and they can have the pleasure of watching. I cannot carry my laptop to the ground, but at the best means possible, we can stream the session or the happening through some of the phones. Almost everybody is bringing phone here. students will help, or I myself will carry my tripod and we will make some arrangement. That's a plan. So, if possible, we shall make it 5 days per week, but as of now, I am not willing to take that risk. Because Saturday, Sunday, I am working because of Siddharth and Taneshwar, who are attending from the US. So, under no circumstance I am going to skip Saturday and Sunday. No matter who comes or not, Saturday, Sunday, the class will happen because Siddharth and Taneshwar have to attend. But the other students, you have to plan accordingly. I want you all on these 4 days. Aswathaman, speak to your tuition teacher and make the arrangement that you are going on the other 3 days. And the other 4 days, you are supposed to be here. If you are not going to work on Sunday, well, I'll leave it up to you. But that is not going to change any of the affairs here. Dakshin Siddharth, stay with your schedule. Kavin Sandro, you will have to come directly on all the days. And Ritan Nitish, you need to work on your attendance and you need to be consistent on all these 4 days. Right? Guru Prasanna, once you finish your RLS, you can join this new format and I'll make sure that you will have good fun, although you are attending on the remote way. Alright? Every single person will have to do presentation every single day. So once we come back from the OBT, from the outbound training, when we come back to the classroom, we will have presentations to make. Skit, activities, creative levels of exhibits, all those are put on halt for some time. Because I need to train your mind and your body in this new format. Think about it and let me know. Expect great things and live strong. Thank you.